Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up and create polls using Poly right inside Slack. Let's get started. First, we'll access the Automations menu. Click on the More options here, then select Automations from the drop-down. Now you'll see several options here. Go ahead and click on Apps to continue. In the search bar, type in Poly and select it when it appears in the results. This will add Poly to your workspace. Creating a poll is simple. Just type the / command /poll in any channel, followed by your question. If you need to make changes to your poll after creating it, you'll find an edit option right here. Go ahead and enter the answer choices for your poll. Once you're happy with them, click Preview to see how it looks. Click here to proceed to the final preview of your poll. Perfect! Here's what your finished poll will look like when it's posted to the channel. Team members can now vote on their preferred option. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create and customize polls in Slack using Poly. Feel free to go through this again anytime.